Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So this is going to be a reaction video to the recent news of OpenAI, which has introduced ChatGPT plugins. So this is amazing and huge. And first off, it is not available to the large population as of yet. I do not have access to those plugins myself. I have joined the plugins waitlist, and I suggest you do the same. But this is something that is going to revolutionize the way we use ChatGPT. So they give on their webpage, on their blog page, they give different examples of what we can expect from the plugins. So we have the Expedia plugin, which helps you plan your trips. You have your Fiscal Note, which provides data analysis. We have the Instacart that allows ChatGPT to order things online. We have Open Table that can book restaurants and give you overviews of the menus and whatnot. You have, of course, Zapier, which allows you to connect ChatGPT to Gmail, Google Sheets, Trello, Salesforce, and so on. And we have Wolfram, which allows you to do complex computations. So thankfully, they are giving a few examples of how it's going to look like. And in the first example, they are using the plugin called OpenTable, Wolfram, and Instacart. And first what happens is that ChatGPT is prompted to look for recipes for vegan food in San Francisco. So this is using the OpenTable plugin that has found you a perfect recipe. Now Wolfram Alpha is calculating the calories. And the Instacart plugin is ordering the chickpea salads. And this is amazing. So I'll just pause for a second and I'll show you the original prompt. So this is the original prompt. Looking to eat vegan food in San Francisco. Could you get me one great restaurant suggestion? Please calculate the calories and finally order the ingredients on Instacart. So now this changes the way we're doing prompting. Now we can reference different plugins when we're doing prompting. So this simple prompt is using 3 of the plugins, and they are working in sequence. So first the OpenTable, now the Wolfram, and finally the Instacart. And I think that's pretty amazing. Then they have the browsing feature. So this is the browsing feature right here. This is called Browsing Alpha. How do these year's Oscar winners compare to recently released movies for box office sales? And this is quite amazing as well. So this is the plugin is showing you exactly what it does. It searches different URLs one by one. It shows you the URLs that it's searching. It then states that it's reading content. So the clicked on are the URLs that ChatGPT is analyzing. So once it analyzes everything, it gives you this summary. And what's amazing about it, it also includes references. So just in a second, you'll see right here, the reference. So ChatGPT is becoming factual. And I can only imagine what you can do with that. And now to this amazing ChatGPT Interpreter plugin, which does complex visualizations. The opportunities are almost limitless, so you can basically feed any data into ChatGPT and request correlations, regressions, tables. And this is a perfect example of uploading a CSV file with music. And then you basically use ChatGPT to analyze everything within that CSV. So the number of columns, and it's calculated that there are 35 columns. How many rows? 10,000 rows. And now what's beautiful about it, you can actually run some basic visualizations. Like histogram of song durations, bar chart of the top 10 most frequent artist names. And now it can do complex analysis. Let's exclude year 0. Let's consider only years with over 100 songs. From that set of years, let's find a quantity that is the most positively correlated with time. So now it's looking for those parameters that are correlated with time, and ChatGPT deduced that the song loudness is the one parameter that correlates with time the most. And here are different ways you can visualize that. Now it can actually analyze and work with PNGs. Here we have ChatGPT interpret what is on the image. So the image is of neo-modernist Python icon. Now we can make it 4 times smaller. We can turn it grayscale. We can remove the background and do different things with images. So again, the opportunities are limitless. Now they also have the ChatGPT Retrieval plugin, which allows you to work with large databases. So in this case, this is the United Nations database, and you can ask it different questions. So imagine if you could feed the whole book, like Ulysses, for example, and ask what it means finally. And this is basically Education 2.0. This is the new and improved way of learning things. So you can imagine you can upload a book by an author and you can actually have almost a conversation with the author, helping you understand the main points of the plot, the conclusions. This is it, guys. So this is pretty amazing. It's going to change how we use information, how we read information, how we interact with the information in a major way. So that was it, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.